Leaders are a style-based associative object that combines several different common elements such as lines and text into a single associative object. Leaders are considered an annotative object. What this means is that leaders are scale dependent when plotted from paper space. Remember, when you plot from a layout, you plot the sheet 1-to-1, but the viewport is set to a scale. What this means is that all leaders will look the same size no matter what viewport they display in, and you can even set the leaders to display in specific viewports at specific scales as shown here. Now that's really cool. Leader styles are used to manage and automate every aspect of your leaders. Leader styles allow you to maintain consistency in your drawing annotations and to organize your leaders. To automate leader standards at your company, you could add leader styles to your company-wide drawing template, making it very easy for all users to follow your leader standards. Every characteristic of your leader is controlled by the leader style. From the symbols and arrows to the text type, as well as whether the leader will be text or a block, AutoCAD organizes leader style settings into convenient tabs as shown here. If you look in the drawing, there are two leaders shown, each using a different style. Notice the difference in the arrowheads. The leader tool is streamlined to make the placement of leaders easy. As I always tell people that I am helping with AutoCAD, when you don't know what to do, look to the command line window. The command line window displays the different options to place your leaders. Simply click on the command line option link or type the capital letter displayed to invoke the desired option. Editing leaders couldn't be easier. For instance, if you need to edit the text of a leader, you simply double-click the text and it's just like editing regular AutoCAD text. Another way to modify a leader is to simply select it and then pick any of the convenient grips that appear to adjust your leader. In addition to the grips, AutoCAD provides a multifunctional grip menu. Simply hover over any of the grips and you will notice that each grip provides a menu specific to the grip that you are hovering over. This makes it very easy to edit any aspect of your leader and even add additional leaders. AutoCAD also provides some great tools to align and collect your leaders, giving you the power to batch change the appearance of your leaders. For instance, let's say I want all my leader segments to look parallel to one that I choose in the drawing. This tool provides a really fast and easy way to do so. Almost every drawing will require some leaders to better communicate information in your drawing, and AutoCAD gives you the tools to placing and editing leaders easy.